In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PHP website to Hostinger using their easy-to-follow platform. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or someone just venturing into building websites, this guide will walk you through the steps seamlessly, ensuring you have your website up and running in no time on Hostinger. Let's start off by heading to the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser and visit hpanel.hostinger.com. This is where you'll manage everything related to your website. Log in using your credentials to access your hosting account. If you're new and don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Websites section. You'll see a Websites tab right there on the dashboard. Click on this tab to move forward. Here you should see an overview of your current projects, but if you're starting fresh, this is where you can add a new one. Now, let's add your PHP website. Look for the button that says Add Website and give it a click. It's usually easy to spot and is designed to help you initiate a new web project with just a few clicks. Clicking it will prompt you with options related to the type of website you want to add. From the options provided, select Custom PHP HTML Website. This is perfect for our needs because it allows you to upload a site that you've built with PHP or any static HTML page. Hostinger provides this flexibility to cater to various skill levels and project types, making it a versatile choice for many developers and designers. After selecting this option, you'll be guided through the process of configuring your new site. This includes setting up your domain name, which you should own or plan to purchase separately. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, as this will ensure that your domain is properly linked to your hosting account. Once the basic settings are configured, you can upload your PHP files. This usually involves using an FTP client, which allows you to transfer files from your local machine to the server. Make sure your PHP files are correctly organized and follow any additional instructions from Hostinger regarding file placement or required scripts. As the upload completes, take a moment to review your settings and ensure everything looks correct on the Hostinger dashboard. Once you've double-checked, it's time to test your website by visiting your domain through a web browser. If everything was done correctly, your PHP website should now be live. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a PHP website on Hostinger. If you encounter any issues, Hostinger's support is available to help. Utilizing their comprehensive hosting platform makes managing web projects accessible and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your site online.